Seaweed and Kelp, at the mercy of the changing turbulence of the Pacific Ocean. These ones seen here are in Islas de San Benito. These marine plants thrive in the drastic change of the current and flow of the ocean's force. But don't be fooled. Through evolution and biological response, seaweed and kelp have learned to adapt to withstand the powerful ocean currents. These plants are similar to those on land in regards to how to get their energy so that they will be able to stay attached to soil and rocks in which they thrive. Seaweed and kelp go through the process of photosynthesis, in which they use the sunlight to blend foods from carbon dioxide and water, which then turn into oxygen. These plants are limited to where they grow on the seafloor because of their need for sunlight in order to complete this process of photosynthesis successfully. The key to success and productivity for seaweed and kelp is dependent on their ability to grow and move one with the ocean.